Let me show you how I earn 70k diamond on UHO app. Yes, you guys know I've made a video on UHO app on how to perform tasks here, and there is an update they did. So they added live stream to the platform, and for you to get the 70k diamond for this live stream, this is the requirement. Okay, we go to live data, then allow it to load. It's loading. Let me show you how I got the 70k diamond. So this is my live data. Okay, when I tap on receive live streaming reward, have you seen it? When I live stream for 2 hours, I got 3,000 diamonds. So this 7,000, for me to receive it, I will gift myself 150k diamond gift. Then this 70k diamond that you are seeing that I've received, I received it through going live. Yeah, I did live stream 2 hours daily for straight 7 days. That was that I was able to receive it, and I was also signing in. So once you live stream for 2 hours, then the next thing is just to sign in. Make sure that you sign in. As you can see now, I cannot sign in because the live duration is not enough. I didn't do any live streaming today. So as a newbie, once you join this app, the next thing is to make sure that you live stream for 2 hours. As you're live streaming, your audio tags will also be counting. All right, so once you join the app, join agency, or activate your audio newbie reward with 1k diamond, the next thing is for you to go start live streaming. For you to start live streaming, is here they write start live and claim rewards. You tap it. Once you tap it, it asks you to, is it solo live, is it party live you want to do. So anyone that you would like to do, you just choose it. You understand? Beautify and start live streaming. Okay, so once you finish live streaming, you come to this live data here. You come to this live data here and check if your live stream is complete. As you can see, I started on 6th of December and I completed it on 12th of December. All right, that's 7 days. That was how I was able to receive the 70k diamond. Okay, yeah, that was how I was able to receive it. So once you live stream, make sure that you live stream for 2 hours, like 2 hours 15 minutes, because the live stream starts counting from 15 minutes. So if you live stream for 2 hours 15 minutes or 20 minutes, then you come to your live data, tap here and sign in. Okay, tap on sign in, you sign in. It's only 3,000 you will claim on your first day. 3,000 reward, that is the only one you claim on your first day. All right, so this 70k you will claim it after you have live stream for 2 hours daily for 7 days. That is 14 hours. So once you have done it, on the 7th day after live streaming, just come here. You will see receive and you claim your reward. As you are seeing it on my screen right now, this is my 70k. And if I come here now, you see it. Are you seeing it in my wallet? 70k. Okay, I've not even gifted to myself. So what are you waiting for? Come and join UHO live streaming app. Ebe ọ na-eme happening. Okay, come and join. It's very easy and simple to navigate. All right, so thank you guys. I said let me share with you guys how I was able to earn this 70k diamond on Google app. All right, thank you guys. Remain blessed. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. It's just educational video. I'm sharing my experience on the apps that I've used. Please feel free to make your research before joining any app. Without no further ado, let's call it a day. Bye guys. See you on my next one.